A lot.
In my ears like a melody, but I've got voices in my head telling me it's too good to be true. When I'm lying in my bed, I close my eyes and I see you. I close my eyes and I see you. Like a melody, but I've got voices in my head telling me it's too good to be true. When I'm lying in my bed, I close my eyes and I see you. I close my eyes and I see you. Close my eyes and I see you. I close my eyes and I see you. my eyes my ears like a melody, but I've got voices in my head telling me it's too good to be true. When I'm lying in my bed, I close my eyes and I see close my eyes and I see all your words. The way you looked at me made what I heard. Playing my ears like a melody, but I've got voices in my head telling me it's too good to be true. When I'm lying in my bed, I close my eyes and I see 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 you.
All right, we're going to be looking at some Bitcoin TA in a bit. Almost time, almost time. Currently, we are in a long from right about here, 8,450. All right. We're going to be starting in a little bit. Doing a little cryptocurrency TA along with S&P 500 possibly. Well, there's stocks, S&P 500 5s, and we're thinking maybe there'd be a little retrace, but continuing this massive pop up. That pretty decent. We're looking for maybe a little trace down to here, bounce down, go back up for the morning, but no. Good thing we did not get into that trade. Well, but on the other hand, Bitcoin, we are pretty happy we got into our Bitcoin trade. Getting into this in a minute, in a few seconds. All right. So, take a look at Bitcoin. We got so we're running a little hot on probably the 15-minute. So there's possibly a retracement temporarily right now. You're going to be getting into this trade. You could possibly wait a few minutes. Sometime within the next hour, there's going to be a little retracement. So maybe down to something like, there's some key numbers. That would be far. Down to this 20 moving average down here, a nice 200 point drop, and then we are looking for it to continue on upwards and check out a little bit more. Heading into the higher time frames, we see Bitcoin moving it strongly with the MACD. You have positive signs going along this way. That also is with a little high run on the Market Cipher app, so we have good flow. You know, from the way it's looking right now, kind of thinking we could have a slight more run up, exhaustion, like I was thinking around about 28,900, then drop down. All right, this is a positive sign. This is our positive cross signal, which we really do like coming into the morning. Room to run up on these, on the MACD, the RSI, and it's a little bit overrun here. So I say something along the lines of heading into the morning. You could see where are we going? Right around here. I think going about here. And back to something I can see playing out into the open of the New York morning. Going to be a little retracement, but I do feel that there's going to be a pop. The pop I can see going up as high as, get a little box going for you here. All right, that is what we are seeing for now. Gonna go chill for a second, and then there we go. Coming back down would have been a nice little short up there. That would have been $125 short. That would have been a nice solid short. I was thinking about that. Hopefully this is going to be coming down. Like, it does seem that it probably needs to have a little bit of the let off. So we were thinking about shorting it right about here at about 71 up, and it just hit our entry. Okay, so thinking about we possibly are going to be hitting into support in the S&P, but for Bitcoin, this is what our plan is. We're at $28,450 is our long entry. So we feel there might be a slight little retracement right now, temporary. It's going to work its way up, possibly going strong up to here. Wherever it does go, time's going to be limited. I think that it's going to then go down to C of red boxes. Alrighty. We're trying to really align these time frames into something that logical. This is right here is the New York market open. So we're going to delineate this right here. NYC market open, we kind of feel there's going to be a pop. This is going to be the logical course of events. This is the time that's going to occur. We think possibly do a little retracement down to here, pop back up, hit this all the way up to here. Where's this time going? Yes. That is definitely too soon. We are going to. And here we are. All right, look at that. This now we see possibly we are thinking about possibly going into a short at about 40,071 for the S&P 500. We do like that, retracing down to at least this line right here, which would be a $250 scalp. So currently, our trade Bitcoin, which is our trade is $228 in profit. We max out our profit at about 325. So we're thinking about possibly selling and re-entering. So we do think it might be a little bit better just to wait until the B, because we do feel once around New York market open, this B is going to be coming into effect, very important. We're going to be going all the way up until that way. So we might just wait for a little bit. And we will be back in a minute. Thank you. If anybody would like to go over another asset, any kind of cryptos or stocks, just put it in the chat. This is kind of our Bitcoin analysis for now. We're waiting out the S&P. Yeah, I'm going to go get into an S&P trade on the side. I'm going to do it at about 4,071. I'm going to put this marker in right now. This is just a good setup. I think I'm going to put the trade entry in 4,021. All right, I'm going to put it in at that marker and grab the trade right now. Do this. Hold on 1 second while I do this. Mark it in for you all, and then hey, so we just entered our short at 4,071.50 for the S&P 500 ES future. We're observing our Bitcoin long, which we're still holding from 28,450. If I was going to be entering a trade right now, I would still be entering Bitcoin long. There does seem like there could be a chance for a mild amount of retracement where you could get possibly $100 better position, where it's at 28,675 right now. You could probably get it possibly between 28,550 to 28,600. Where'd that be? Yeah, I'd say possibly down that much at most. All right. We're going to go enter that trade right now. We're going to go get in our S&P 500 trade real fast and be back in a second.
do my best. Well, I try. Music, it's not gonna be the best, I know. There it goes. I'm gonna try to do my best. I promise I will. I feel the rhythm of this music. So good. I didn't know I was gonna do this and that. And now I'm gonna go up high to share with you what this is about. 'Cause love is what I want to share, and love is what I want to have, and love is gonna be with you and with me. Let's share it, let's spread it out. And love is gonna have in you, and love is gonna be so mad. And love is what I want to share, my love for you, oh my love. This is not just another love song. Love's so beautiful, isn't it? I keep on doing what I can.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we just opened up the new Discord, so anybody wants, come check out the Discord. A lot of free info. Going to be adding more.
Feeling strong, this music.
Just started putting stuff down on there. The trades have been killer. It's basically a free version of the Patreon. For now.
That I'm gonna do this and that. And now I'm going straight up high to share with you what this is about. 'Cause love is what I want to share, and love is what I want to have, and love is gonna be with you and with me. Let's share it, let's spread it out. And love is gonna have in you, and love is gonna be so mad. And love is what I want to share, my love for you, oh my love. And love is what I wanna share. I have so much love. Let's share it, let's spread it out. 'Cause I have so much love to share, and love it's gonna be so mad. And love is what I want to share, my love for you, oh my love. Oh my love.
Anybody want a specific asset? Crypto, futures, commodities. That's fun. Looked at? On in the chat. Going over here trading. And look at that. MP trade turns instantly. And I really like, it has really been channeling kind of within this Fibonacci level that I pulled up. I like that. I remember that. Oh, look at that. How beautiful. I remember saying that I thought it was going to go down to here. And got pretty darn close. I think I said that right here. And I never took the trade. But I talked somebody else out of taking theirs, so there we go. Oh, that would have been nice. Quite slashy. Look how broad these movements are. Wow. 10% movements. Let's see the frequency of these moves. Doing 10% moves in what time frame? 10% up this one day. So looks like AVAX is moving quite amazingly, doing these 10% moves. It's not a 10% move right here, but it's decent enough, 7%. And that's also 6 to 7. That's probably closer to 15. That's probably closer to 12, 15, 12, same thing. And so what makes me believe is that if it was up here, anywhere within this range, I would probably short it down to here. I'm going to pull a volume profile and let's see what the volume profile says for a few of these areas. I think the volume profile for like the whole thing, let's see, we're going to take a look. Already do have an all-time volume profile. All right. Oh my God, look at that. Amazing. Wow. The whole section, we were just looking over this whole section that we just analyzed, where I was thinking like maybe look at that. It's running midline. So if this thing makes it up to this right here, I would short it instantly. Hopefully we stay into a ranging mode, because this $18.13 down to this $16.685. These are not small moves. These are 8% moves that you could just rip. With the volume profile for this section aligning almost in the middle of the 0.5 and 618 golden pocket, something impressive. That's what I was really getting at, being that, I think if AVAX pops down, it's tough. So we're going to see Bitcoin. If Bitcoin shoots down, AVAX can shoot down here, but wherever it shoots down to, here or possibly down to here, I'm going to be longing it up to here. Or if it shoots down to anywhere or goes down to anywhere right here, I'm really going to consider, if the conditions don't look like it's going to be dropping, to long it up to here. And so even if it hits this 16.7 right here, I mean, look at that. 8%. You have $2,000 to do 5x. That'll give you enough leeway for if it drops. That'll give you you basically be making $700 to $850 for that move from $2,000. You'd make almost 50% of the money you put down, which would be a great return. And the same thing too, if possibly today is strong and the petering begins and we're somewhere around here, this level right here, I am most definitely boarding down to here. I like that. I really do like that. And with that volume profile being right there, that's something special. Maybe we'll take off this junk. We're going to do an analysis of... Okay, it is overheating on the 4 hour with the market cipher. Yeah, it looks like it could be going down. It's all going to be dependent on Bitcoin, but I would possibly be holding to about this area right here. Okay, so this is what we're going to be thinking for this right here, and kind of conservative, I think, but really thinking the bounce could come in more so on this part, this top third. It'll be the bounce zone. And I'm thinking that this guy could possibly do something like, depending on Bitcoin really, but I'm thinking it's going to be simple. I'm going to do that. No, this has got to be more times are way too. Come on. It's going to be more like that. Ow. And just down to the 5 minutes. Boom. Time scale. Which one? 9 hours to drop. I think that's more than enough time. I actually think it's a lot less than that. But there might be I might see it. It might be right here. Right here might be I think the jump. That's a little more. That's more so on a bad case of Bitcoin. I think possibly right. I like that. These are $500 moves in each direction, so these aren't, I mean, they might not look big, but they are going to most definitely do the job. $500 based on a $2,000 investment where you're 5xing it up to 10x. That would be a $500 return. Or, I mean, that'd be a $700 return possibly. That's really something extravagant. Okay, let's see how this Bitcoin play is working now. Oh man, wow! Look at that! Look at that! It's literally right. Wow! I called that almost perfectly. Holy Jesus! And what amount of time? Oh man, I'm even gonna pull this down to the 2. Pull this down to 2 time frame. Wow, spectacular! I called that there. I said it would take 56 minutes to hit this point. And it hit it in 26, right around. I mean, that's more than enough time right here. And I even pulled it back here. So, a lot closer. I mean, I was a pretty decent little pick right there. Okay, so now it's going down to the bottom point. That's the retracement I was thinking it was. Okay. Well, I was thinking $200 would be max. It's going to be going down. And what we were looking for was a resetting of this market cipher indicator right here. Which it reset that market cipher. We are happy, children. Look at that. And it's reset the RSI, so it's not hot. And it did not really cool off the MACD, which is something I would like, but this'll do. It's a start. How spectacular. Hopefully Wish there's more people watching. Somebody could have actually got on these little nuggets. We're gonna be going long too in a little bit, all the way up to here. Might hop a little bit more into my long. Oh. Here we go. We can see that better. This most definitely turned on me. I might be getting out of this one. Hoping for a short-term scalp, but it doesn't look like that's what's going to be happening. Oh, well, maybe it'll give me a chance to get out of there, and I'll get out of there. All right, we're going to go take a chill for a second. Check my positions and see what's going on. All right. Well, looks like going sideways for now. Bitcoin possibly is going to bounce at the exact point we thought it was, which would be oddly amazing. and I am debating whether to add a little bit extra to my long entry, which I would be, whatever I add here, I would be taking that equivalent portion off my trade at here. That I would be holding the rest up more so these ranges with stop loss probably really tight in the short, down from anywhere in here down to here. I think whatever pop-up happens is not going to sustain like this. I think it's going to be very similar to this. Maybe it's going to drag out a little longer, but I think all longs are going to be followed by short for right now. How long that short lasts, I don't know if it's going to last a long time. We might just be using this as a bottom end. Might just be going up, down, which is great for people like me and possibly you all, because trading's where it's at. I mean, you can always hold everything long, trade within that, but these kind of movements are very easily predictable, and I could see Bitcoin, just even dropping down to here for a second, and shooting itself right back up. That would be the most, this pattern in reverse is the most Bitcoin thing to do. How do you get your currency or your position filled at the best price? You're going to sell it, as much of it as you can. Other people are going to sell it. It's going to trigger stops. It's going to trigger all these orders. It's going to go down further. You're going to hit and start buying, and then it's going to go roof, come down slightly for a bit, for a second, then then you are back on up. And that's pretty much how Bitcoin should conduct itself, likes to. So I kind of think, going up here, and this could happen. Don't take these lines as straight lines. They could be like, but once it's up here, I can see real strong spikes and things occurring possibly up to here. Spike up, down fast here to instantly. But that's all the analysis for now. I mean, this the S&P trade is not good. Everything's looking too strong, so we're going to possibly get a chance to get out of this here. Besides the S&P trade, Bitcoin trade is looking like it's going to be working out. There's the numbers. You all know them. Like, subscribe. Go check out the Discord, please. And, we'll be catching you all later.
Me acaricias con tu mirada. Escucho mi corazón palpitando a la vez que el tuyo. Después de tanto tiempo, al final nos encontramos.